Hello guys, dito kami ngayon sa
Palapen Array. Suot ang aming OOTD. Naka-tupad.
ako ano to?
Higad. Ang pinapakita.
First concert namin to. Yan na yung pinakapila namin.
Bata.
Hindi ka na-scan doon?
Iniskan to.
Ay, yung video.
Saan punta?
Go! Pijama ka.
Si Princess oh. Si Princess. Okay na?
Ito siya.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Philippine Arena. Hinahanap namin yung pinto namin, upper box kami, pinakadulo. Saya, di ba? Ito yung kasama ko, magiging asawa ko. Hingal na. Hingal na ako, pero siya hindi pa din oh. Hoy, saan mo ba?
Let's go!
Wait lang. Sabi, ano to? Door 40.
Pwede na, 40.
Mauna ka. Ano siya guys? Umaakit na naman siya. Papan trophy ka. Papan trophy ko. Trophy ko. El Shaddai ka ba? Oh, gago. Oh, sandal ka dyan. Against the light eh, pero kain eh. Diba? So guys, kita na namin lahat. Oh! Ano, pinagtuntas pa.
Arigato!
Hype ka na. Ayo.
Ganda!
Baka mamaya wala naman dito daan.
Nakita ko na nga eh. Nahirapan ka na ba?
Hindi.
Tama po.
Ano yun? Meron sa kabila. Ano, nabasa na yung akin.
Wala. Sali ko siya.
Kala ko hindi na talaga nakikita sa balat. Kala ko wala na talagang ano.
Ay, so... Sabi picture ko siya.
Kala ko hindi na sabi ko kaya. Kasi hindi na talaga nakikita. Hindi na. Row ano? Happy birthday. Okay. pala tuldok. Tingnan mo, tingin ka sa stage. Hindi naman tuldok. Madapa ka pa. Cause of death. Isang tubig pa gusto mo ah. Go 1 to 7. Seat 443. Paano mo nalaman yung seat?
Papalapit ka pa lang.
Saan ang number nun?
Sobrang bango. Lumit ako tayo ng ulit.
Ano? Ito sa akin, 443. Ay, 433. Tanga. Ikiran po. Salamat po. Pili! Tama. Yeah.
Nila mamayaya.
Yes, demo. 1, 2, 3, go. Spray, fresh peach, spray fresh. Ganun lang. Malapit pa lang talaga.
Bato-batobit lang sila at magkakapatan ng players para malaman natin kung sino muna ang unang maglalaro. Hi! Jollibee! Siyempre, ang movement, o siyempre yung movement na gagalawin natin, of course, gagayahin ng participant, ay siyempre, magmumula mismo kay Jollibee! Siyempre, kailangan lang gayahin ng players ang galaw ni Jollibee at magbibigay ng explanation sa kanyang ginagawa. Karamihan lang ito, no? Paramihan lang ito kapag umulit o walang sasagot sa loob ng 3 seconds, talo ang player na yon. Ayan, syempre para safe tayo, dapat ating friendly lang ating mga babanggitin ng mga words.
There you go. Start Clearwater Resort and Hotel, Afro Residences, Hamlin, Chef
Siyempre, sino naman ang may bias sa OTA? Grabe, ang sesi. Alam mo, nakita rin natin, no? DJI, lahat din talaga, halos lahat ng effort. Siyempre, hindi lang tayo ngayong gabi ito. May mga nakita talaga tayo. Kanina, ang ganda, nakita mo yung outfit, pag isa nating player din. Ang ganda nung lahat ng photo card.
to our universe. Join us. Join us. Come on over. Come on over. The fun begins. We're ready. It's time. So glad you're here. So glad you're here. Step inside. Step inside. Let's get started. Let's get started. Come join us. Come join us. Let's go. Join the fun. Join the fun. Here in the universe.
We're trying to form a group that will represent us into a global community.
Dumating po sa halos gabi-gabi nag-iiyakan po kami.
Get ready for Dini!
Sa kapitong ako sa aking pinanap at ikaw ay nandyan kahit ay gumaraan, Hihigila ang aking nararamdaman. Feel good, nangangit in my life. Pumaling ang ilagay like a rainbow in the sky. Feel good, pag hawak mo ang aking kamay. I'm in paradise, I'm in paradise.
Kaya huwag tayo magpigil ha. Samahan niyo kami as we show you special numbers we prepared tonight only for you guys. Okay, wait lang. Meron akong gustong i-try. Ano? Pwede po ba pa din ng lights? Gusto ko tasin yung light sticks niyo. Light sticks? And then, mag-wave tayo. Ganda. Ano ba gusto niyo? Left to right? Left to right. Okay. Dito. Our left. Okay, our left. Our left. That side. Sige. Ay, dapat ready na po ba mga camera? Okay. Ano ba sasabihin ko? 1, 2, 3, and then wait. Ganyan. Okay. Okay. Pati ko let go. A na lang ah. 1, 2, 3, A! With matching A. Okay. Okay. Sabay na tayo. A. From here ah.
Dapat kasama yung katawan sa pag-wave ah.
Dapat may ganun. A! Okay, 1, 2, 3! Tao ba lahat dito? Baka may multo. Pero syempre, wag natin kalimutan ang Team Bahay Worldwide! Sa lahat po na nanonood sa live show.
Pag-ibig na naman ang sama-sama. Nais mo nalaman, di naman ako reklamo. At ang katotohanan, hindi ikaw ay napigilan na pangiti ng ulo.
Simple lang ang pag-ibig. Hanap mo na ang kapares mo. Pwede ka pa ba lang mapahalin? Di sabay ang tempo nyo. Hindi ko malaman paano mo nagagawa. Basta ikaw sapat na, hindi na kailangan pa maghanap ng iba. Huwag kang mawawala, kumagaan ang aking nararamdaman. Basta dyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Umagaan ang lahat basta. Diyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Umaga ang pakiramdam. Basta diyan ka lang. Ikaw ay asa na. Tinawag ka doon, mga kamay. Oh my gosh.
Naman ads.
Alam mo, sa favorite ko talagang, ayun, YouTube. But anyways, thank you po so much sa lahat na nandito, ang lahat ng Team Bakay, sa lahat na sumuporta ng Bini, maraming salamat po. Sa loob ng 4 years, I think. Na 4 years, nandiyan lang po kayo. Thank you, thank you.
Grabe.
And in 4 months, officially 4th anniversary na natin!
Oh my God, matanda na natin, guys.
Anniversary, so, pero 6 years na tayo magkakasama. So sa lahat ng taon na yan, anong favorite memories niyo of us? Don't mix.
Oh, me? My answer is... Obviously now! Siyempre, this is counted na as favorite moment namin. Kasi imagine nyo, first time natin mag-perform sa Philippine Arena and first Filipino act to perform in Philippine Arena and first sold out Philippine Arena. Okay na ako. O, ikaw naman, Bebe.
Ako, favorite ko yung first anniversary nating Blooms, yung 59 ba? 59. Yung inside joke? 69? Ah, 69. Yung 69 Blooms pala niya. 65! 65! Sorry! Hindi ko na kasi mga yung 65, ang dami nyo na. 65 lang. Bakla na! Ice skating tayo nung first anniversary. Sa mga nandun pa at nandito nga nanonood, thank you and we love you. Thank you po. Ikaw po. Yung dapat sa akin. Yung ano, yung sa...
Ay, binaba mo eh.
Love. Nasa mabali namin.
Dali ko ito.
Diba? Nag-celebrate din tayo ng parang yung anniversary natin kasi yun yung ginawa natin.
Oo, yun na.
Hindi kita marinig. Yung sa Nuvali.
Bini
Outdoor yun.
Bini Fest. Bini Day yung ano.
Basta Bini ba rin? Ako,
Kasi ano.
hindi, nakita ko sa ex. Yung, di ba Feb din yun? Yung lumibo tayo sa sa ABS. Tapos, hindi naman natin yung akala, hindi man sobrang dami na.
Ako na baguhin yun. Yeah.
Tapos after 1 year, ito na oh.
Dito tayo ngayon.
Grabe. Grabe. Oh, clue. Clue, wala sila dito sa stage na yun. Grabe naman yung obvious naman ang clue na yun.
Sobrang obvious nun. Tama.
Hindi lang nila alam paano siya tinahi. Alam,
Kaya pala hindi kayo nagre-react kasi hindi niyo ako naririnig.
ganun ba? Seryoso ba? Sabi kasi kiss the mic daw, so dapat ganito pala kalaki. Hindi kasi nila, narinig yun. Hindi kasi nila alam lang paano natin tinatahi yung
Sino ba?
nung duo, tapos isa pang duo.
Yes, pero dahil sobrang curious silang lahat, hindi na namin to papatagalin. Okay? Philippine Arena, are you ready? Okay, Philippine Arena, get ready for the first duo of the night! turning on the screen all day. Now that I can rush anything that offers that to notice me. When I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be movie. When I grow up, I wanna see the world, drive nice cars, I wanna have trophies. Be careful what you wish for, 'cause you just might get it. You just might get it. You just might get it. Be careful what you wish for, 'cause you just might get it. You just might get it. You just might get it. I see it better than me. Oh, my trendsetter. Yeah, this is true, 'cause what I do, no one can do it better. You can talk about me, 'cause I'm a hot topic. I see you watching me, and I know you want it. Every step you take, I'm doing better. But every time I see you to me, there's nothing to do. Nothing holds back. Let's take a moment, and it won't fade away. 'Cause that's your thing. Got to push harder. I used to be so careless, careless. But now I'm more than fearless, fearless. Don't stop myself, 'cause the good it sounds not made to be broken. But we won't stop, we won't stop. So let me hear it, I'm on it. Every step I take, I'm really breakers. I do what you do, every time I see you, it's to me, there's nothing to do. Nothing holds back. Listen up, do this, do that, and sometimes it's harder, only needing some time. It'll take you a few days to finally understand. Got to push harder, strong. I used to be so careless, careless, but now I'm more than fearless, fearless. Don't stop myself, 'cause the better sounds not made to be broken. But we won't stop, we won't stop. Let me hear it. There's no going back now once you try. Got the sugar mama. If you wanna find out better know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Let me overthink to what's around me.
Show performer. He sold out his first solo concert, hindi lang one day. Diba? 2 days sold out concerts, grabe. At may upcoming concert tour din this 2025, diba? From the singer who gave you the hit songs, Dilaw! Kilala niyo na ba kung sino?
Close friend.
Philippine Arena! Let's welcome Mr. Dilaw Malki!
Ever since the start, I saw the end. Around the corner, 'cause I know so well. So predictable, you're inevitable. I can't let you go. You're so nothing magical. So predictable, you're inevitable. I can't let you go. You're so good at being bad. My baby's bad, you know. 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 My baby's bad, you know.
Just like that, I can see the way you're looking, ready to attack. Just like that. You guys ready? You're on the ready? Let's dance. She was more like a beauty queen from overseas. I said, oh my lord, what do you mean? I am the one who dance on the floor and around. She said, I will dance on the floor and around. People always told me, be careful what you do. goes dangerous.
Tatawag ka.
Ready for your testing, got no time for nothing else. I got me, got strength on the there's no way through with this, so the arrow ain't ever be wasted. Yeah, push it, put him on the edge. I'm fighting and fighting, to the left, to the left. I think you get it, just be careful, just you know the bad energy. Your body gets stuck in the start, but I'm still looking, pushing down on my head. So myself, this is a shot, watch you. Let's ride, working hard to get to the top. Hope I soon that will rise, for me, it ain't gonna stop. Your head, make it rock, put your eyes on the prize. Stop leaving all the people, cause my one next, so worth to win.
O, di ba? Ang saya ng
Pero
beses nang nasaktan, nasugatan, at huli ka pa bang nalaban? Hanggang kailan mo kaya sasabakan? Hindi mo alinlangan, wala nang pasabi naman. Huwag nang magamba, hindi ka nag-iisa. Huwag ka nang mag-alala, dadamayan kita. Sa oras ng kalungkutan, hindi kita bibitawan. Sa'kin ka magpahinga. Huwag kang susuko at magpatalo, anumang pagsubok ng mundo. Ibayan ang puso, lakasan ang loob, tumingin at taas ano man ang pagdaanan, huwag mong kalimutan. Hindi ka iiwan, di papabayaan, maaasahan. Maniwala lang sa sarili, iwasang maging negatibo palagi. Mga duda'y pagkawalan, malalampasan din naman. Huwag nang magamba, hindi ka nag-iisa. Huwag ka nang mag-alala, dadamayan kita. Sa oras ng kalungkutan, hindi kita bibitawan. Sa'kin ka magpahinga. Suko, magpatalo, anumang pagsubok ng mundo. Ibayan ang puso, lakasan ang loob, tumingin at taas nandito lang ako. Nandito lang ako. Merong handang makinig, handang yumatak, handang saluhin ka muli at muli lagi. Ang magtiwala, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Huwag kang susuko, huwag kang patalo, ano bang pagsubok ng mundo?
there were spaces and heart races. Can I come through? Just to dance on my own. Thought I was all alone. Then I found your new faces. Now I know where my place is. You pushed my heart to just go. Now for sure I know. Now here you found something new. Through the dark nights, the highlights, you're my lifeline as we take our flight. Split the sky in different lights, holding on to all that we can be. Gonna make it right. Sacrifices, compromises. You like a view, would have wanted with the show. Look at you, we got a reason to keep going on this road. Now we know where our place is. When it's telling me no, you push my heart to just go. Now for sure we know. We're here with you. Something we just need to look around. On something new. The dark nights, the highlights, let's paint the sky. So all that we can be, we'll make it right. Now here we go. spot, but I'm telling all you, yeah, one night, don't you leave me waiting.
Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or you nice? Maybe I a little spice. You try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby. Then just think twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you not being nice? Maybe I don't know spice. If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Oy, game sila, oh. Walang uwian. Actually, we have prepared something special for you. And that is something that a few very important people will be announcing right now. So may we call on Billboard Philippines representatives, publisher Miss Anne Bernista, and Chief of Editorial Content Brett Jackson to share the good news with you girls. Hi, Miss Anne. Hi, Brett. Girls, it's great to see you again.
Good evening po!
Wow, may pagaling na siya.
Oh my God!
Sa inyong lahat, in all of the blooms, sold out ang Philippine Arena. And tonight, we have something special to present to all of you. So on behalf of Billboard Philippines, we would like to present this certificate to you girls in recognition for being the Philippines' #1 top artist of 2020. Beanie is Billboard Philippines' #1 artist for the Hot 100 and the Philippines Top Songs charts. And not only that, we would also like to congratulate you again, not only for dominating our charts, the Billboard Philippines charts, but also for being the representative of the first ever Billboard Global #1 series. So you represented Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations.
What's so truly important about this is that the global #1 campaign featured artists, the #1 artists from around the world from each country. Beanie is the #1 artist in the country for the Philippines, and you represented us so very well. So thank you. Thank you for that. Philippine Arena, are you excited to see Beanie reach new heights? Make some noise! Thank you for your incredible contributions to the Philippine music industry. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang OPM. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, girls! There's your award. Kindly accept it. There you go. Deserve ng Beanie. Tama ba yun? So girls, after hearing all of that, anong nararamdaman niyo ngayon?
Siyempre, gusto ko lang mag-thank you, Billboard Philippines, for giving us a platform para ma-showcase yung talents namin. Kasi Billboard Philippines, andyan sila palagi kapag may bago kaming songs, pag may bago kaming achievements. Ano ba? Thank you! Kasi, ano
ba yun? Thank you kasi itong Philippine Arena, hello, sino ba namang hindi pangarap ang makapag-perform sa Philippine Arena? And bonus na lang talaga na na-sold out natin. Diba? Sold out last day ng selling ng tickets and na-sold out natin. Grabe lang yung pagmamahal ng Blooms sa amin. Blooms, thank you so much! And alam namin, mamimiss nyo kami kasi magsisimula na yung World Tour. Pero please know, nadala-dala namin lahat kayo sa bawat bansang pupuntahan namin. And babalik kami, papasalubungan namin kayo ng...
Souvenir, ang hangin.
Thank you so much, Blooms! Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala to. Maraming salamat sa support nyo. So,
Again, congratulations, Beanie, and thank you very much, Brad and Miss Anne from Billboard Philippines.
thank you, Mom!
Thank you for that very special announcement. But wait, there's more. From a local recognition to an international milestone. Let's watch this.
And the winner for Best Asia Act for MTV EMA's Manchester 2024 is Beanie.
So, alam ko na lahat tayo inaabangan talagang matanggap na ng Beanie yung award itself. So, congratulations! You have made history, and with that, may I call on ABS-CBN Music Head, Sir Roxy Ikigan, and ABS-CBN TV Production Head and Star Magic Head, our Tatay Director Randy Johnny, to hand the International Award to Beanie!
From the United Kingdom, ito na po ang award ng MTV Europe Music Awards Best Asia Act, Beanie!
And on behalf of ABS-CBN and Beanie Management, we would like to thank all the Blooms na tumulong para makamit itong award na ito. So girls, congratulations. Next time, pwede nyo na kunin sa London mismo yung award mo. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations girls.
Thank you!
Thank you, Direk Lauren and Sir Roxy! Maraming salamat po. Girls, ano naman ang reaction nyo dyan? Finally, at meron pa ang promise si Direk Lauren na next time daw.
Next
Talagang
time.
i-accept nyo na international.
Yes! Go mix, go mix.
Why? Why not? Well, ayun nga. Sobrang speechless namin actually kasi iniisip namin paano kami nakakarating sa ibang bansa ng ganung level kasi you know, we're just beanies, we're just chilling here and doing our own thing.
Okay.
Hindi, joke lang, hindi kami chill. Like kami nagpa-practice, guys. Pero alam mo yun, alam namin dahil yun sa hard work ng Beanie, ng Team Beanie, ng ABS-CBN, at pati rin syempre ng Blooms namin. Kaya, ayun nga, we always say we're always grateful for you guys, but of course, we can't stop saying it because that's what really is, you know? Tama nga, Gwen? Kaya pa ka?
Hindi, kasi siguro kaya rin tayo ready na tumapak sa global stage. Kasi, alam nyo, yung foundation natin dito sa Philippines, tignan mo naman, napuno natin ang Philippine Arena, di ba? So, solid na tayo, solid yung Blooms natin dito. Kaya siguro may lakas din tayo ng loob and tapang para sumabak sa global stage. And I think kaya ng mga Pinoy yan, kailangan na talagang mag-take ng risk. Yes. Yeah.
Tama yan. Very inspirational talaga. Kaya natin mga Pinoy at kayang-kaya na proof na ng Beanie. Once again, congratulations!